Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HUAWEI Y91, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable 50 megapixels mode on this device. To use higher resolution mode, you need to open the photos and click more. Choose more here and just click high res, so full resolution. Of course, zoom is not supported in this mode. We can use only normal mode to take a photo, and this mode works only with AI, so you don't have the opportunity to use this without the AI to improve this photo in Lightroom after the taking a photo. No, you can use it only with AI built-in colorizing, but it looks great. So honestly, AI works really cool here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.